Hello students, a very warm day everyone and welcome to virtual learning classes of SLVM School Jaipatnagaram, and this is your Valley dealing with the subject English. So children, in the previous video we discussed about the poem Come My Little Children. So now we are going to discuss about our second lesson in our term 2 is The Happy Prince. The Happy Prince. Okay, shall we move to the lesson? Yes. Who is the prince? The happy means, you all know, very joyful. Prince means prince. King's son. King and queen's son. Okay, the future king of the kingdom. So we call him as prince. Okay, children. So now I am going with the lesson. I am opening page number 20. So children, look at the picture. He is the happy prince. He is the happy prince. So in this video we are going to discuss about this happy prince on this lesson. Okay children. So Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde, a famous Irish poet. Oscar Wilde, a famous Irish poet. Irish, the place. Okay. Oscar Wilde is the name of the poet and a playwright of the 19th century. And this story was taken from a playwright, nothing but a collection of stories. At the time of 19th century, wrote a collection of stories of children in 1888. At the year of 1888, he wrote a playwright collection of stories, and these lesson was taken from those playwright. Okay children, reading this touching story about an unusual pair of very kind souls. This is a very heart touching story, very wonderful story. Listen it clearly. It's a very beautiful and wonderful story to all the students. And this story will mainly discuss about unusual, that means a very rare pair, a very rare of two persons, and they are very kind souls. They are very good people. In this lesson we are going to discuss about two kind people, two very good people. Who are those? And what we are going to discuss about this mainly in this lesson? Yes, we will discuss now. Come with section 1. Yes. Section 1. There was once a prince who had everything wanted. Once upon a time there was a prince. Once a prince. Prince means obviously he is head of the kingdom, right? So he had everything with him. What he wanted, obviously he get it. So he was never sad. So what he want? For example, he want gold. He want clothes. He wants some beautiful food or places. He want to visit some places. Whatever he want, he had everything. Why? Because he is the prince of the kingdom. So he is always seems to be happy. Right? Whatever we want, if we get it, we also will be happy, right? Just like that, the prince also very much happy with the things which he had. Okay children, next. His people called him the happy prince. Whatever he want, he is getting everything. So obviously the prince may smiles all the time. So the people who are at the kingdom or at the court, at the Raj Mahal, or his friends, relatives, people call him as happy prince. When the happy prince died, his people had a statue made of him. Once upon a time, suddenly the prince died. The happy prince died. So his people, his kingdom, his country's people had a statue made of him. This is the statue. Statue means, you all know about the statue, right? Vigraham. Yes, here is the statue of the prince, the happy prince. And the statue is made of lead. The inner, the material is the statue's material is lead, but outer the statue is fully covered with gold. Covered with gold. The eyes were of blue gems. Look at the video. Look at the picture very clearly. The prince's eyes was made of gems. Blue color gems. That means diamonds or pearls. Very valuable gems. And his sword, Kati. Sword was a big red gem. Look at this, here it is a big red color gem. The statue was put up on top of a tall pillar in the middle. See, there was a tall pillar. On that tall pillar, the statue was placed. Okay, and this statue was made in the middle of the town, was placed on the middle of the town. See, nowadays we are looking our famous people like YSR, Ambedkar statues at the middle of our towns and the roads, right? Just like that, the prince statue was placed at the middle of the town. So in the country, the winters are very cold. So in that country, the winter time, that means nowadays, now we are entering we are into the winter time, right? So the winters are very cold. So every autumn, the swallows flew about to the warmer place. So on this autumn time, on this winter time, the swallows means the small birds. What is meant by swallow? A bird. Okay, the birds flew about to the warmer place. The swallows will move to the warmer, hot place. This is swallow. Okay, children? Yes. And that year, one little swallow was laid. When at the starting time of the winter, the swallows will move to the warmer place. All the swallows already moved to the warmer place, but one swallow, the very cute bird was late on moving to that warmer place. What will happen then? That the night he came to town, while the swallow traveling at the night time, it reached to the town. He landed top of the tall pillar. See, the swallow landed here. The swallow landed at the top of the pillar. Okay. Between the feet of the happy prince. So I'm sorry here, not here. I'm sorry. The sparrow landed between the feet of the prince. Between two legs, the swallow landed there. The little swallow was, see, shall I move the book? Yes. The little swallow was just settling down to sleep when he felt a drop of water. Okay, the little swallow was trying to sleep, but there were a small drop of water. Because of winter season, we may get some snow, right? The snow, how we appear the snow with these small droplets of water. Yes, so the climate is very cool and winter season, and also some droplets of waters are there. So the swallow is trying to settle down on a warmer place between the two feet of the happy prince. Okay. He looking up to see tears falling from the prince's eyes. We felt that the droplets, the water is because of the snow, but the water is not because of the snow. The water is tears, crying tears, and those tears are coming from the statue of the happy prince. Is it possible? Is really the statue may cry? No, but this is an unusual story, a children's story. That's why the poet added some pepper and salt to the story. To drive the story on an interesting way, The Irish poet Oscar Wilde written the story in some peculiar manner by of adding the phrase the happy tears, not all happy, the tears are coming from the statue of the happy prince. So the water is coming from tear. Eyes of the happy prince. Those water are not snow. Okay. Why are you crying? Asked the swallow. Then the swallow asked the prince that, why are you crying? Prince's statue. Okay. Because of all the unhappy things I can see from here, said the happy prince. Okay. Then the statue of the happy prince answered that, because I'm unhappy. Because I am seeing the unhappy things which I seen from here. Of course, I'm a statue here, but I'm looking the people who are unhappy, so that I'm tearful. Just like that, the happy prince said, "What can you see?" asked the swallow. Then the swallow asked, "What can you see? What did you see? What happened to your people?" Just like that, the swallow asked the happy prince. Then, far away in a small room lives a poor woman, said the prince. Then the prince answered, some long distance ago, there was a poor woman who lives on a small room. Her little boy lies ill in bed, but his mother has no money for medicines. There was a poor woman. Woman has a child, a baby boy. The boy's health is not happy. He is on bed, but the poor mother did not have enough money to make him treat. To give treatment, the poor woman did not have any money. So I am not happy with the people. Okay, just like this, the happy prince said to swallow, "He will surely die, little swallow. Will you take her the red gem from my sword? It can save her son's life." Then the prince is saying, "Surely the boy will die. Little swallow, can you do a help? Can you do a favor for me? Do one thing. Take the red gem. Look at the sword. There is a red gem. Swallow, do one thing. Take the red color gem from my sword, and you can give to the poor woman mother. Then he can save her son's life." So the swallow pecked. That means with his sharp nose, the swallow pecked the gem and flew off it when at the woman's house, and take the gem to the woman's house and fell there. Okay, the boy was tossing about in his bed. Okay, the little boy who is with some health issue, the boy is moving around restlessly. The boy is moving, but his mother was so tired. From morning to evening and morning to night, the mother is serving the poor boy, right? So she is tired. She fallen asleep with her head on the table. There was a table. He fallen asleep on that table. Mother fallen asleep. The swallow put the red gem beside. Then he flew back to the happy princess. The swallow put the red gem on the table of the mother who were sleeping. "It's funny," he said, but it did not feel cold anymore. Of course, it's a night time, cold time, winter time, autumn time. So on that time, the swallow taken the gem and put it on the poor woman's table and come back. But after coming back, the swallow said, I felt funny. But on this cold night also, I didn't feel any cold anymore. "That's because you did a good deed," said the prince. While listening the words of the swallow, The prince said, "You don't feel cold. Why? Because you did a good thing. You did a good thing. On this cold night also, you traveled to the mother. You traveled to save a boy. That is the happiness. While of those happiness, we don't feel any cold or warm or anything. You did a good job so that you are happy." Just like this, the happy prince said to the swallow. All the same, all the same, the swallow still wanted to fly over to the warm land where his brothers and sisters had gone. So next, the swallow wants to go to the place where the remaining swallow brothers and swallow sisters are gone. The swallow started. So that night he said to Prince, "Goodbye, I'm off now." So the swallow said, the happy prince said, "Goodbye, I'm going to my brothers and sisters." Okay, so this is the end of the session. What will happen? We will discuss on section 2 and the next video. Okay children, thank you for watching my video everyone. Thank you.